I got the car in the garage again, which can only mean one thing. We're about to do some upgrades on this thing, so let's get right to it. That's good, but you better keep them eyes
In my
closed.
peripheral, I can see a
Brick.
white car and a black car.
No, you can't.
Yep.
All right,
I'm
well,
not talking about the Vic. I'm talking about your Camaro and then the Malibu.
so you can see the Vic through the back of your head?
No, cannot.
No.
I can see like a corner of the bumper of the Vic.
All right, well, what can you see behind you then?
Not shit.
Brick. All right, well, turn around and look.
All right.
Look at the toolbox. What do you think about those decals? We're gonna have to actually put them on the car, but that's the lettering we wanted to go for a while.
Heck yeah.
You like it so far?
I say we stick it on the back bumper.
The back bumper or the back glass?
I was thinking right on the back bumper, right here.
We could do that too. That'd look pretty good. Well, let's cut them up and see how they look.
Hell yeah, we need to clean a little bit of the bumper.
Nah, it'll be
Not
fine.
all of it.
It'll be fine.
No, you gotta clean it so it'll stick and stay.
All right, well, pull your pants down and rub your ass on it then.
All right.
All right, well, Jordan took his ass and he wiped it down pretty good. Now we're gonna take these and just try and get them to stick right on there. Do it for Jer. It's supposed to say Jeremy, but that's all we could get done because we messed up the rest of the lettering. So
I messed it up.
we both messed it up. It's okay. It falls on both of us. It's okay though. We'll print off another one and we'll get the rest of it put on. But for now, we're gonna jump straight into the shocks and try and knock those out. We got some new ones, so hopefully we can get these old things out of here and we won't be wheel hopping as bad when we're trying to do a gnarly burnout. So
Yeah,
we're gonna hop right into that and see how far we can get. Hopefully it's a pretty quick process. Well, we've made it a little bit later in the night. We finally got one down.
Only one.
Just one. The other one's loose, it just has to come down. But we're putting these new shocks in now. KYB. We're gonna see how they do for us.
All right, we're good.
One shock's on.
All good. Good and
There we
tight.
go. Well, we got both shocks in. So all that's left to do now is
Burnout.
burnout tomorrow. We, depending on how much time we have tomorrow, we might even try and do the exhaust. We bought new headers, which I'm sure we'll show you tomorrow, but our plan, if we feel like actually going through all the work, is we're going to take those headers and cut them up and have each primary coming out the side of the car, and we're going to make ourselves zoomies.
Zoomies. Ouch.
That'll be pretty cool, but we'll get back with you tomorrow. That's the end for tonight. Well, it's a new day with the car. We're back outside, and we're going to attempt to get some headers put on this thing. I don't know if they're going to work. They're cheap eBay headers, but we're going to find out, and I'm probably going to try and cut them up if they do work, and we're going to make zoomies out of them. Either way, they're cheap $150 eBay headers, and we're going to try and make them work. So let's get started. Well, it's the moment of truth. Now that I got the old manifolds off, there is not much room here at all. So we're going to go grab the new header and attempt to put it in there, but I really don't think it's going to fit. We're probably going to have to do a lot of modifying. So I think we're onto something. We don't exactly have room for the headers to work down there. So unless I really feel like hacking these up and trying to make them work, then about our only option for right now is to go out the hood. But I doubt we're going to cut holes in the hood anymore, so we're probably just going to take the hood off if we decide to go like this and just have them dumping over the fender right here. I don't know yet. Just a thought. We're still waiting on Jordan so we can decide what we actually want to do. Well, we got it all bolted back together. The plug wires are on. There are two sensors in with this just extension hanging off for now. We're not going to be able to leave it like this just because sadly the other manifold would not fit on, or the other header would not fit on the driver's side. Just not enough room, and with the way the header's made, it just doesn't work. So I just said the hell with it. I'm going to try it. I want to see what this side sounds like at least, and then maybe later on here in a couple of days, whenever Jordan and I actually have a good opportunity, we might try and just make them zoomies and just cut them up. But we're gonna fire it up and see how it sounds. Well, as you might have seen from the last video, it wasn't exactly gonna work how we planned with those headers. So we got another box full of parts laying out today, about a week later. Now we're just gonna make them ourselves. We got the flanges here, got a bunch of 1 7/8 inch pipe, and then some of these littler pipes just make a sniffer on one side so we're not running without an O2 sensor, which probably could, but it wouldn't be our best idea. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the exhaust that we have now and get started on it and see how well this might go. Because, as you can see, not that much clearance. And I didn't say it before, but we're gonna try and just run it straight out the hood now. That's why we just have a bunch of U-bends, and we're just gonna try and cut them in half and then just go straight up and out the hood. We're gonna see how well it works. Probably not very, knowing how it is for us. Well, we managed to get one side done. It don't exactly look beautiful, but it'll serve its purpose. I actually have decent clearance on everything, surprisingly. Enough that we're not gonna worry about it. And it's kinda halfway straight. It's good enough that it'll run and hopefully sound pretty cool at the same time. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the tripod up, and we're gonna fire it up, at least see what one side sounds like. So here we go. All right, got everything done on it. All the new pipes, everything's hooked back up. We're ready to start it up. Whenever you're ready, Jordan.
This is insane. Going for a test drive here just to get it warmed up here. That way we can take it back and do some two-stepping.
Good old two-step.
The guy was like, what the hell is that thing?
You can see the heat coming out of it.
Oh yeah.
I'm sure my neighbors are gonna love this. Yeah, you can see the heat just shooting out of it.
Can't really tell on the camera, but it don't sound that bad in here.
It's still, we can still talk to each other, which is kind of
Yeah,
crazy.
that is nice. I like it.
I guess Crown Vic's come with pretty decent sound, didn't they?
Oh yeah. They do
Even
for
when
sure.
we had it out below the door, it wasn't that bad.
Now with the windows down, different
Oh,
story.
yeah. The windows down, we wouldn't be able to talk to each other. You want to do it or you want me to do it?
You do it.
Alright, let's open the doors.
Alright. Let's do it from inside the car first.
No, do it outside.
Alright, outside. What do you think?
That's pretty
Frick.
cool.
Heck yeah,
I
dude.
have a hell of a car for Cletus and cars.
Dude, the whole car is just rocking, and I got it on camera. Like, it won't. I zoomed in just for it.
Hell yeah.
I think your muffler was broke.
Yeah, we lost our muffler going down the road.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Well, Ready for Bristol.
Yeah, let's go. Hope you guys enjoy the video. See you next time.